Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. I'm so glad to show you new Lisa Eldridge summer makeup collection. We have the beautiful Desert Gleam eyeshadow palette and 3 new shades of Rouge Experience lipsticks. So in this video I will show you 3 different looks, very easy to achieve. So we will create an eye look that you can adapt to the 3 different shades of Lisa Eldridge Rouge Experience lipsticks. So let's start. So we have a beautiful caramel shade, beautiful light warm beige shade, as you can see. It's a matte shade, as you can see. Prisina, I hope to spell it right. And it's a duochrome shade, it's a metallic, yeah, luminous, sorry. And it's this one. Oh, I can tell you as I love this shade so much. So luminous. It's a sort of green duochrome shade, silver green, but so beautiful onto the lid. And my personal suggestion is to apply with your fingers. It really have this luminosity, intensity. With a flat brush you can add a touch, just a little touch of more diffuse luminosity. So it's another effect in my opinion, but with your fingertips is magic. Then we have this beautiful brown shade, such a perfect brown shade. So you can see the great brown shade. It's a neutral brown, very beautiful. It's metallic, very luminous shade. So this is a more bronzy shade, khaki bronzy shade. So pretty. Do you see how they are intense, so very pigmented? Then we have this matte shade. This is Sahara. Sorry for my big mistake. This is an olive green, a very particular gold shade, sort of antique gold with olive undertones. So pretty. The color story is very beautiful, very versatile for skin tone. In my opinion, we have a wide range of complexion that you can cover with these tones. This one with my finger, and I place it all over the eyelid. You can see how instantly changes everything. When I was 18, I had a beautiful green eyeshadow loose powder from Pupa. It was something very popular at that time, and you apply them like this onto your eyelid, and they were so luminous with a little bit of shimmering, but very tiny bit. And my favorite was a silvery one, like a mint silvery one, and the other one was a silver green shade. So this one reminds me of those 2 eyeshadows so much, and I love them. They were very easy to use, and I just put them and sometimes a liner, and it was done. So this is the shade, and it's so pretty. So this effect you won't achieve using only the brush, so the best way is tapping like this. You see, so pretty. This is like a mermaid makeup, something like this, with a wet hair look and a black liner. You have done your makeup in a second. This one, this shade, with Lisa Eldridge number 8 brush, highly suggested. This is blending brush, so beautiful. I have MAC brush, and this one is very, very pretty. So what I do is basically go on the crease, and I create this shadow. You see, they blend you so seamlessly, very easy. And if you want to accentuate, yeah, the golden onto your skin, the tan you have achieved, you can take a bit of this shade, caramel shade, and go over just a bit, and you will emphasize just this, yeah, brown tones, like this, very natural. So if you have hooded eyes, it helps also to push back your eyeball and bring forward the luminosity of Crisina. I hope to say everything in the correct way. And something like this. Then we go back with this one, and you make a deeper effect here. We can use the burnt umber pencil. That is a beautiful match for this Desert Gleam eyeshadow palette, especially if you are running late. This is a brown, and you can fake it a little bit, the precision of the liner. So I just put a little bit of Lisa Eldridge Kitten Lash mascara in black. I have also burnt umber, but I think that the black in this case can work better. I used this Lisa Eldridge skin tint in number 6.5. I filmed a video about the summer shades of Lisa Eldridge skin tint that she kindly sent me, and I like to see that the color is perfect. It's really beautiful. So I have a dedicated video because it took too long just in one video. And yeah, use a bit of this shade to add a bit of shadow here. You can mix it with the olive shade, for example. So let's start from Toasted, from Rouge Experience. It's number 187. So this is the shade, and it's so beautiful with this tone, you see. It's a nude. Even if you don't have a huge tan, it doesn't drain you, you see. I love it combined with the 0N lip pencil. It's very beautiful, the caramel shade here and these nude lips. I love it so much with this touch of luminosity. Then we have Lily, that is beautiful chili red, so beautiful with this color story too. It's a beautiful kind of red. It really reminds me of the rockets in the desert when they have this red shades, and personally I think it works in a great way with these brown, olive, golden green tones. So now let's apply it. This is so precise at the application, my opinion. I really didn't use any liner, and I thought I couldn't wear this kind of warm red instead. It's beautiful. You see, so just a wash of color is like this. It's beautiful also to blur it onto your lips, but if you want something more intense, another layer glides onto your lips. It's very precise at the application, you see, so easy to use. So this is a more intense vivid red, but you can wear it with this eye look you have seen on my lips. So this is Lily. Add a touch of this golden because I love the warm yellow that you have in this lipstick, and I love it to add it a little bit more on the eye, but just a bit, you see, just a shift of tones, in my opinion. So from the cooler green to a more golden touch, blend everything just a bit. You have a little bit more, yeah, golden, light golden onto your eyelid, and this luminous red lipstick. So this is how you can wear also a very beautiful red lipstick like Lily, in my opinion, with this light golden touch. I love it, so bright, everything. Have Rye from mauve chocolate shade, you see. So it has some Velvet Decade vibes, in my opinion. It's a great your lips but better shade if you have dark medium skin tone, in my opinion. On me it's a little bit more dramatic, but I like to see. Now I have to remove Lily. This is Rye. It's a little bit darker on me. So this is Rye on me, and you see it instantly I appear more pale, but my eyes looks a little bit more green because we have this mauve undertones on my lips. So it's the same for Velvet Decade that has this mauve chocolate shades. The best is with Crisina on me. So I try to remove a little bit of this green and I come back. Add a little bit of Crisina here, and it suits me better, in my opinion. But now I have a little bit of too much eyeshadow on my eyes. Move more towards cool shades on the eye, so a little bit of this olive with Crisina over the caramel shade. Okay, this one. So I don't mind a thicker line. So you see, it's a little bit more dramatic. So let me add a little bit of bronzer with it. It's needed, definitely. I love it. I love this. It's more time decadent vibes. 3C lip liner, just a bit if you want to go darker. Just a bit, not too much. and just blend it, just overlined, but okay. So this is the latest makeup look with the Rye lipstick. I hope this video could be helpful for you. Let me know your impressions about this Lisa Eldridge makeup collection, summer makeup collection, and see you soon. Bye!